Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to do review, honest unpaid review of this Haldirams Kadhi Pakora. Now I've been buying this for a while now. I do review of products which I myself buy it, use it, and it's always going to be unpaid, unsponsored, honest review. So this is 2 packages, and I opened it and I just heated it up. So this is how it looks like, and each packages have about 5 pakoras, and they're pretty small though, but they're tasty. And if I do have any problem with it, that will be too salty. Other than that, it's really great. What you can do is you can make few more pakoras and add to it, and that will definitely give a volume, and that will definitely make it more tasty. Or you can boil some chickpeas and add to it without salt, so the salt will cover up, it will consume the salt. And if you make the rice, make sure just white rice or brown rice without any salt, because it is a little bit salty. Other than that, it's very tasty, and yeah, amount is enough for one person. I opened 2 packages, so this was the honest unpaid review of Minute Maid Kadhi Pakora, and this is good for one person, and you can take it anywhere, you can keep it anywhere, it doesn't need to be refrigerated. But once you do open, it has dates, so once you do open, then you just finish it up within a couple of days, keeping in the refrigerator after you open it. But the way it is so small, that's enough for one person. I mean, there's hardly like 4 or 5 pakoras and a little bit of gravy. And I have opened up 2 packages, as you can see, side by side, 2 packages. So this was the simple honest review, 100% unpaid, for Minute Maid Haldirams Kadhi Pakora. And my rice is just done. You can have it with brown rice or white rice, whatever you like, or bread too. Okay, so thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. So this is my food for today, Kadhi Pakora and rice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Have a great day. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.